Hello everyone, welcome back to NewChoice online classroom. Do you feel nervous while speaking English in supermarkets, shops and malls? Do you want to ask questions in English confidently without fear? Then this video is perfect for you. Today we are going to practice shopping conversations, asking questions in English, useful daily sentences, real life English speaking practice. കൂടാതെ how to improve your English fluency എന്നുള്ളതിനെ കുറിച്ച് ടിപ്സ് കൂടി വീഡിയോയുടെ അവസാനം ചേർക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. By the end of this video, you will be able to speak simple English confidently while shopping. So, let's start. Section 1, Quick Speaking Warm-up. നമ്മുടെ സ്പീക്കിങ്ങിന്റെ ഒരു വാം-അപ്പ് സെഷൻ ചെയ്യാം. Repeat after me. നിങ്ങൾ ഷോപ്പിൽ പോകുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആവശ്യമുള്ള സാധനങ്ങൾ കണ്ടെത്താൻ കഴിയുന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇത് ചോദിക്കാം. Excuse me, where is this item? How much does this cost? ഇതിന്റെ വില എന്താണ്? Can I pay by card? എനിക്കിത് കാർഡ് കൊണ്ട് പേ ചെയ്യാമോ? Do you have another color? ഇതിന്റെ വേറെ കളർ ഉണ്ടോ? I would like to buy this. എനിക്കിത് വാങ്ങണമായിരുന്നു. That's too expensive. അത് വളരെ വില കൂടുതലാണ്. Can you help me please? ദയവായി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്നെ സഹായിക്കാൻ കഴിയുമോ? Thank you for your help. നിങ്ങളുടെ സഹായത്തിന് നന്ദി. Very good. Now say them again with confidence and smile while speaking. Remember, confidence is more important than perfect grammar. Section 2, Useful Shopping Sentences. Now let's learn practical English sentences. At a supermarket. സൂപ്പർമാർക്കറ്റിലേക്ക് ചെല്ലുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് സാധനങ്ങൾ വാങ്ങിയിടാൻ ഒരു ബാസ്ക്കറ്റ് വേണം. I need a basket. എനിക്കൊരു ബാസ്ക്കറ്റ് വേണം. Where can I find milk? പാൽ എവിടെയാണ് ഇരിക്കുന്നത്? I'm looking for rice. ഞാൻ അരിയാണ് നോക്കിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. Is this fresh? ഇത് പുതിയതാണോ? Do you have discounts today? നിങ്ങൾക്കിന്ന് ഡിസ്കൗണ്ട് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോ? Repeat. I need a basket. Where can I find milk? I'm looking for rice. Is this fresh? Do you have discounts today? Next, at a clothing store. I want a medium size. എനിക്കിതിന്റെ മീഡിയം സൈസ് ആണ് വേണ്ടത്. Can I try this? ഞാനിത് ഇട്ട് നോക്കട്ടെ. Do you have this in black? ഇതിന്റെ കറുപ്പുണ്ടോ? This shirt looks nice. ഈ ഷർട്ട് വളരെ നല്ലതാണ്. It fits perfectly. ഇത് നന്നായി ചേരുന്നു. Let's repeat. I want a medium size. Can I try this? Do you have this in black? This shirt looks nice. It fits perfectly. Talking about price. How much is this? ഇതിന് എത്ര രൂപയാണ്? It's too costly. ഇത് വളരെ കൂടുതലാണ്. Do you have a cheaper one? ഇതിന്റെ കുറഞ്ഞതുണ്ടോ? That's a good price. അത് നല്ല വിലയാണ്. I will take it. ഞാനിതെടുക്കാം. How much is this? It's too costly. Do you have a cheaper one? That's a good price. I will take it. Section 3, Question Practice. Speak both question and answer. Excuse me, where can I find bread? It's in aisle number 3. How much is this bag? It costs 500 rupees. Do you have another color? Yes, we have blue and black. Can I pay by card? Yes, of course. Practice these type of conversations daily. Excuse me, can you help me? Sure. What are you looking for? I'm looking for a handbag. What color do you want? Black or brown? Here are some new designs. This one looks beautiful. How much is it? It's 1000 rupees. That's a little expensive. We have a discount today. Great, I will take it. Now pause the video and practice this conversation yourself. Next section, Speaking Challenge. Speak for 1 minute about your shopping experiences. Look at this example. Last week, I went shopping with my family. We visited a supermarket and bought vegetables, fruits and snacks. I asked the shopkeeper about discounts and prices in English. I felt happy because I spoke confidently. Now, it's your turn. Pause the video and practice speaking. Final section, Fluency Improvement Tips. Here are some powerful tips to improve spoken English fast. Practice speaking daily. Use simple sentences first. Learn useful daily vocabulary. Speak in front of a mirror. Record your voice. Don't fear mistakes. Every expert speaker was once a beginner. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Remember, English is not a talent, it's a skill, and every skill improves with practice. Even if you make mistakes, continue speaking. One day, you will speak English fluently and confidently. If you enjoyed this video, like, share with your friends, subscribe to NewChoice online classroom. And you can comment, I will practice English every day. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.